Welcome to Techwaves Alliance, a proud member of Group Amigo. Since 2010, our group have 3 subsidiary brands, which are Amigo, Techwaves, and Innotech. Our products have been at the forefront of bag design, production, and quality. Our core is our manufacturing hub in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, and it is certified by the Cambodian CDC project. We craft 150,000 pieces monthly, with the potential to double the capacity. This facility underscores our edge in quality and efficiency. Our production plant is certified with International Organization for Standard 9001 SEDEX and also C-TPAT accolade. We adhere to global standards, ensuring top-tier quality for our major buyers in North America, European Union, and Japan. At Techwaves Alliance, we blend innovation with sustainability, crafting with excellence workmanship of bag products. Contact us for more information.